Okay, here we are back again. Today is loaded baked potato salad day. So you can do your potatoes either in the microwave or in the oven. Personally, I do prefer them in the oven. As it happens, yesterday I had some other things I had to bake, so I went ahead and threw some potatoes in and then just took them out, cooled them, put them in the fridge for overnight. So I've gone ahead and diced up most of them. And to give you an idea, this is about the size potato I used, and 5 of those for this recipe. You can do as many or as few as you want, just adjust the other items. So we're just gonna do this really simple. Cut it there, cut it there. Dice them up, whatever size you prefer. Okay, got our potatoes done. So we're gonna move this over here, and we're gonna go ahead and start with approximately 1/4 cup of chopped up cooked bacon. You can buy bacon bits if you want to. I prefer to make my own. And then about 1/4 cup of chopped green onion. You can use less, you can use more. All this is very adjustable. So now we're going to go ahead and put in 1/2 cup of sour cream. Starting to sound like a baked potato, isn't it? And 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. This is what really gives it the flavor, zips it up. You'll notice I didn't put all the green onion in. We're going to use a little bit of that for garnish at the end. Okay, go ahead and get this mixed up. Just make sure you get everything mixed in there well. You'll find as this sits in the refrigerator, it'll absorb most of this, so it's not going to be, it's going to be a lot more firm than this when you actually serve it. Now, you could eat it before you refrigerate it, but if it stands a while, it just gets better and better. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of pepper to that because I like pepper. And we're going to add just over 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Get that mixed in. I like to add the cheese at the end so it doesn't all break up when you're stirring the sauce and everything in. Okay, now we're gonna give this a little taste. See how we did. Very good. It's really simple. Once again, a little bit of prep ahead. Like I said, you can save a little time by buying real bacon bits to put in it instead of doing your own. Okay, now we're going to put it in a bowl for serving. Spread it around a little bit. we're going to take those green onions that we didn't put out. Just put a few of them over the top. Make it look really nice. And there you have easy peasy loaded baked potato salad. A real winner, real popular. Everybody's gonna love it. Once again, it's not my first kitchen. See y'all later.